Well, the absolute vision was to increase simulation-based learning, because we know that when we train teams together in simulation-based methodology, that learning is transferred into clinical practice and improves patient safety, systems training and cultures in healthcare.
Trying to use simulation to be as immersive and as convincing as possible for our students, so when they actually got into the placement, it was just a seamless process.
So it's very much based on improvement of patient safety, but equally it's about preparing our learners to be clinicians by immersing them in real-world experiences. I think the design of the centre is so impactful, because not only with the technology that we have, we've been able to create highly realistic environments, but they're very good quality.
We needed to make sure that what we're projecting on the wall was convincing. The company we were dealing with were used to using smaller rooms, not floor-to-ceiling environments. So we had to go out to the market and research, and that's where we found that it was just a no-brainer with the Epson projectors we went with, because the quality of them was just phenomenal. One of the things we found as well is, because we're using the projector system, we also have all the sensors and cameras which make the walls touch sensitive, which we found we didn't have with the technology when you were using large screens.
And when they come into these well-designed rooms with exceptionally good technology, they really do suspend disbelief.